You ready for the drop? Here we go.
Ready, set,
Here comes the
go!
drop.
I had a plan, a terrible one. Shave someone's head
Climb aboard.
in a roller coaster. This is Anique. She said yes for some reason. We've got 1 minute and 41 seconds.
My heart is racing.
No mirror, no second chance. And whatever's left, she's walking away with it.
We're gonna do a buzz cut in a roller coaster. We've got one shot, so whatever the end result is, that's how you're gonna walk out the park.
Yes, oh my god.
Climb aboard. Don't you guys forget to hit subscribe, thumbs up, everything every YouTuber says, and we're gonna have some fun. Ready for it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wrap a cape around you. All right. Ready for it?
Yes.
Let's go. Whoa. Here we go. Wow. This is scary. You ready for the drop? There we go. Ah. There comes the drop. Ah. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh yes.
So I have to do the sides and be quick.
Oh, the head.
Why? Oh.
My heart is racing.
Yeah, but there's another drop coming. Ready for it? No?
No, please, no.
Ah, there we go again. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Ah! Oh, the brakes. Oh, I've got a couple of seconds. I have to be quick. Oh, man. Can you take off your glasses real quick? Yep. I'm at the final part. I think I made it. Oh, we're there. We have to go aboard.
Oh, yes.
Nou, ja?
Ja, het is toch wel een heel gekke beleving.
Maar we hebben het wel redelijk gered. Je hebt hier nog een staartje en bij je oren.
Kijk, dan is dit een beetje...
Ja, ik zal het meeste eruit halen.
Wow. Ja, dit is vast mooi.
Ja, het is echt heel cool.
Well, Anique,
Yes.
this is it. The end result. Can you show them?
Oh no, this is it. I haven't seen it, but I don't know if I'm happy.
It looks incredible.
Okay, I'm curious.
Okay, thank you for today. You can go.
Yes.
Wait. There's more.